Those who were involved with the obscene dancing of the group Playgirls in front of the elected officials in a birthday party in Laguna have no place in the government. This after DILG Secretary Mel Senen Sarmiento ordered an investigation on the matter. The memorandum was sent to the DILG office in Laguna today. Sarmiento added that all local attended the party who are proven guilty should be held responsible.
Nag-issue po tayo ng directive doon sa regional director na tingnan yung video at pag-aralan. Pero siyempre kailangan may basihan din. Hindi naman pwede po ang DILG basta na lang magsuspinde, basta magtanggal na walang proseso. Baka mamaya kami naman ang magkaproblema dahil wala naging basihan.
Even the Malabon police who were caught sleeping during the event may face charges and may be suspended. Former Bureau of Customs Chief and member of the Liberal Party, Rufy Biazon, criticized the event. He said that they have attended many Liberal Party campaign events and no one has ever done something like this. One of the advocacies of the Liberal Party is the rights of women. That is why they were surprised that the event was allowed to take place. Biazon clarified that the birthday party was not an LP event and all individuals involved will be held responsible.
Isa sa mga platform ng Liberal Party is gender sensitivity. So, as a party, hindi naman namin talaga tinotolerate yan. No? So, nakita naman natin na may reaction na mga leaders natin. And hopefully, involved, magkusa rin sila na gumawa ng aksyon.